Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me. Today, I am going to be sharing with you a very simple process with my Dominatore Del Mare DD8009. I like this watch a lot. I use it a lot for work. I like it because it has like an 80s kind of aesthetic. I love the hands. I think they have the perfect proportion. I think the dial looks like a LP, and I love how the second hand is painted perfect and it just matches the end of the sign there in the dial. The bezel is very good. It's a very soft bezel, so for work, or I wouldn't use this watch for diving, but for work it's very good. It's a very good watch for work to use in the shop. As you all know, I'm a carpenter, and I use this watch a lot. So with use, even new, the watch, the strap is genuine leather, but it's very loose. It was always loose. It's not a tight fit. It's just very loose there. And I'm gonna change it to this rubber strap, blue rubber strap. I think it's gonna look good, the black and the blue. And I'm also going to open it, and I'm going to change the gasket in the back. So join me. Let's do this.